No matter how good your body looks, if your abs aren't visible, your physique still feels incomplete. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful ab exercises you can do at home to build strong, defined abs. Let's get started. 1. Seated crunch. Sit on the floor or a chair with your feet planted. Lean back slightly and crunch forward, contracting your abs. This targets your upper abs and builds definition. 2. Commando plank. Start in a forearm plank position. Move one arm at a time to a push-up position and back down. This strengthens your core while improving stability. 3. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with hands behind your head. Bring opposite elbow to knee while extending the other leg, alternating sides. This works your obliques and helps tone your entire core. 4. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs as if running in place. This is excellent for building core endurance and burning fat. 5. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with knees bent and lean back slightly. Twist your torso side to side, optionally holding a weight. This targets your obliques and strengthens rotational core muscles. 6. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and flutter them up and down in a controlled motion. This focuses on the lower abs and improves core stability. 7. Forward crunch. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet on the floor. Lift your upper body toward your knees, squeezing your abs. A simple but effective exercise for overall ab strength. 8. Plank. Get into a forearm plank position with body straight. Keep your abs tight and hold as long as you can. This builds endurance and stabilizes your core. 9. Jackknife sit-ups. Lie on your back with arms extended overhead. Simultaneously lift your legs and upper body, reaching toward your toes. This intensely engages your entire core for maximum effect. 10. Sit-up punches. Perform a standard sit-up and at the top, punch forward or upward. This adds dynamic movement and helps burn extra calories while strengthening your abs. Do these exercises regularly, and you'll see strong, defined abs in a shorter time. So how did you like this video? If it helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness content.